Hey, and welcome to the first Tendies show, the first episode. In this Tendies show, we will tell you everything about the latest news in investing and what our perception is of investing. So we will start with a little introduction, and we will start with ladies first. So you're gonna go.
But let's start with beer.
Let's start with beer. All right.
Before we forget,
Cheers.
because
because the beer is something that we need to use to
get a little bit.
to get a little bit exciting.
You're making us as alcoholic, man. Okay. Well, shall I start with the introduction then?
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Ladies first.
Ladies first. Thanks, man. Thanks. Okay, so my name is Jurgen. I'm from Deventer. I am in investing for, I guess, 10 years, something like that. So
10 years.
10
years.
Yeah, I've had some 10 years. Yeah, that's a good one, by the way. I like that one. Yeah, I had some 10 years. No, I guess approximately 10 years now in investing. So I've had my ups, but I definitely had my downs as well, man. Like shit, I lost money. But yeah, that's sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. That's what they say, right? The optimists.
Yeah.
So I guess that's true for me. Other than that, I'm a programmer in my profession. And I live with my wife and my one kid, and we got the other one still in the belly. So that one is coming up. So soon we'll be a complete family. So
Great to hear. And what was the reason that you started investing?
oh man, I just want to make more money than what I make now. So I want to escape the rat race. I guess that's what it's all about. We have had talks about rat races before, and
definitely.
how to escape them. And I think that's for me the most important thing. I don't want to keep working for my money. I want my money to work for me. That's for me the most.
And you thought investing, that's the way to go.
think so? Yeah.
All right. Great, man. Okay, let's move on.
Thank you.
Introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Yuri. I'm 33 years old. I'm living together with Emma, my girlfriend, and the dog called Bobby.
Bobby the legend.
So, so that's quite fun. I'm in investing for 6 years, something about that. I started with stocks, but also cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, altcoins, also trading them. I did quite a lot of study on technical analysis or reading charts, that kind of quite nerdy stuff, actually, to be honest. But I think it's super interesting. And also to answer the question why, I think quite the same answer as Jurgen gave already. Trying to figure out how to let money work for you.
Yeah, great.
So I'm a freelancer. I'm a motion graphic designer, and I have a fixed hourly rate. So my time is limited, right? So I can't earn more than my fixed rate. And I think investing is one of the means to make money work for you.
Yeah, because like Warren Buffett said, you got to make money while you're asleep. Otherwise, you'll be working forever, right?
Yeah, that's true, man.
So.
All right, so now it's up to me. My name is Lucas, Lucas van Raat, and I'm from Deventer as well, as same as these guys. And I'm 21 years old. I'm still a little bit young, but it's all fine because I just love investing. And why I love investing and why I love to do it like right now is because of compound interest. I don't know if you have heard of it. Probably you have. But compound interest means that you get interest over your interest. So that means that if I start with investing at the age of 21, I will have, if I do the same thing, I will have more money when I'm 44 than when I started at 33. And basically it sounds obvious, but if you do compounding, it will increase like insane, right guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
But your name is Lucas van Raat?
Yeah. Okay, I will pronounce it in Dutch, Lucas van Raat, but it's man. It's
Lucas van Raat.
Lucas van Raat. Yeah, so Lucas van Raat will
Lucas van Raat.
So why I started with investing? I started with investing basically a little bit because of the same reason as those guys. I just thought, okay, it's amazing to have your own money and make more money out of it. So that's why I thought I need to invest and I need to start right now. So that's basically it for my reason why I started investing. And we move on to the first topic of the evening. And the first topic of the evening, guys, you probably already know it. And that is...
Slide the screen, dude! We prepared an amazing presentation for it.
True
Slide
story.
it!
Nice, the COVID-19.
it.
I almost forgot it, but amazing picture. Jurgen, again, thanks for searching this one.
Can I make a note? I don't know if I would take this stuff if I see it like this. Would you put it in yourself? Well, okay.
Well, I've had these things in the bar. They look like shots.
Maybe it works. Right.
Probably we shouldn't
Sorry,
drink it, but
sorry.
anyway. like-
Okay, but like the COVID-19 is like a great disaster. Everyone has heard of it. But
What is it?
COVID-19?
What is that? Like, is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Is it
I think it's amazing. It's
and it's
No, no.
happening right now?
It's-
Is it a new movie? Is it a...
Do I really need to tell you this?
no.
All right.
No, we're not going
But
there.
the vaccine news. Maybe you've heard of it. But Pfizer has a 94% accurate rate, and 94% of their medicine will work if you use it against corona. Moderna is right now on 95, a little bit higher, but
Yeah.
I think it's pretty good, 94, 95. But then you have AstraZeneca, and AstraZeneca is on 70%.
Yeah.
I don't know if I would take it if it was 70%. How about you
Of
guys?
course I would.
Yeah?
Like, why wouldn't you?
Yeah.
It's 70% better than nothing.
You know what I'm wondering? What
Huh?
if you take all three of them? Like, if it combined and you're 100% safe? I don't know.
I don't know.
How does it work? That would be cool.
We can try.
But you would
Okay,
take,
guys,
but
let me tell you something great.
If you are Pfizer, AstraZeneca,
Yeah.
or Moderna, just send us 3 shots, times
Yeah.
3, and then we'll try them all.
Okay, nice one, guys. But yeah, you can try actually, because Pfizer will be here mid-December 2020. They will have, maybe not here, but they will have their medicine out there. And
the first doses, right?
first doses, yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
So who do you think it will get the first doses?
well, I hope the ones that really need it most,
Yeah.
right? Because we can make jokes about it, but there are people getting seriously sick from COVID. So I hope the people that need it most.
All right, and for you the same, or
Yeah, of course. But I first and foremost, I hope the people who take care of us, so those who are in healthcare,
yeah,
especially the ones driving ambulances and stuff like that. So first 8 people, I would say, probably them the most, because
Yeah.
they go out and every day they sort of risk their own life
Fair.
Yeah,
for
true
everyone
story.
else out there.
Yeah.
And then of course everyone is working in elderly homes and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Them first. We can sort of have it as youngsters, I guess. Like we can handle COVID quite well,
Yeah.
probably. Not
True.
all of us, of course, but at least the death rate is super low
Yeah.
among our age. So please, them first.
all right. And how do you think that that this will, what will happen to like the stock market or the market overall?
Yeah, man.
When Pfizer is dropping their medicine mid-December.
Oh, first of all, for me, I hope that Disney opens their parks again. I hope that Norwegian Cruise Line will send their ships out again, and I hope that American Airlines will send their planes in the sky again full with people, because they have stocks. I own these companies, man.
But what do you think that will happen? Will it go up? Will it?
Can I pop your dream?
Yeah.
For a second, because I think it's not gonna happen like that. What I think it's they will start small. They will start with small groups, because I was with a friend this weekend. We were drinking some beers, and he said like, "Whoa, there's a vaccine," and now in the new year there's gonna be one big party to celebrate we're free again.
No,
But it's not gonna happen like that. And the
no,
same with cruises, the same
No.
with parks. I think it's gonna start small. You know, they're gonna see what.
Yeah,
what if we make a small
But the
party? What's gonna happen?
Probably if the vaccine becomes available like on commercial basis, those cruise lines and those airlines can say, well, we're very happy to have you here on board, but you gotta have your vaccine first. And that makes sense. I'm okay. Like, inject me, please do it. Like tomorrow, if possible.
Okay, but I want to
Inject
make
me,
a
I
little
don't care.
side note, yeah, okay? Because when the news came out that it was 95% good rates, the market went up like crazy.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
it's
yeah.
all emotion.
Yeah,
so it
of
doesn't
course.
really have to be there in case.
No, just
things
the
that
hope
mar-
is enough. The hope is
Exactly.
enough.
So if it goes onto the market, emotions will react to the stock market.
Of course.
Well, first of all, I think so. We've had this news, right? And people we react on the news, which is good. And then I think that if, let's say, Disney is able to open up their parks again and they are able to get more visitors in, you'll see that being reflected in the financial quarter results, right? And if those are positive again, that will be a huge spin-off to the market as well. So I think we got some happy times
But
coming.
Yeah.
The other side can happen as well. Like,
Yeah,
if the numbers
exactly.
are not that good. then-
exactly. Yeah, and that's the strange thing about the stock market, right? Because all the people are saying, yeah, the positive news is now already built into the stock price, and then if the vaccine doesn't work as good as we hope, or the quarter yearly numbers aren't as good as we hope, it can go the other side. Nobody knows. But one thing for sure, I think I think we have to think long run, right?
Yeah.
Long run on the stock market, it's good news.
Okay, Jurgen, last note.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think the market will always react on good news.
Yeah.
There is always some upside for good news. I'm a positive guy, at least I hope. But I think I'm quite a positive guy. I think the world will get back to normal really quick. As soon as we have, I saw, at least in my area, this summer, at least in the Netherlands, we've had the huge Corona rally spike in the beginning of this year, let's say March, maybe the beginning of April. Then we saw this huge drop down in numbers and people were just getting back to their normal life as fast as possible. Everybody was thinking like, oh shit, I gotta go on summer holiday. Whoa, fuck COVID, but it's summer holiday, so I don't care. And now we have this big second wave. And I think that shows both the stupidness that we maybe have as human being, like we cannot sacrifice one year. So that's why we have a second wave. And now with the holiday season coming up, Christmas, New Year's Eve, everything that will happen, we probably have a third wave as well. So that's at least what I'm scared of. But I think by next summer, if most of the people have their vaccine, then I think the world will be back to normal crazy fast. And I think most people don't realize how fast we get back to normal behaviors, the way that we are used to.
Nice. That's some optimistic vibes here.
Yeah.
Yuri, are you agreeing or do you think...
Well, I already said I think we have to think on the long run.
Exactly.
I'm not sure if I totally agree with Jurgen if it's already in 1 year that everything is back to normal, but it will definitely happen.
Well, let's find something that you maybe both will agree on. And that's the following. Tesla is going like a maniac. You can... that's right, yeah? Tesla.
Woo!
Wow, you see those cars? That's amazing, Tesla. But they are...
I've seen one of those cars before.
Yeah. I hear from someone are you...
No.
I think there's a little bit of that. Okay, nice. But Tesla is going insane, right? You
Yeah,
would
man.
agree on that, or...
Yeah, how can you not agree?
I don't know. Okay, look, he is an optimistic guy. He will say, yeah, Tesla's going like insane. But what do you think?
Of course, it's going insane. It's going parabolic. It's been going parabolic for some while now, and it's funny because today we were discussing when we were at the office 1 year ago. I think the stock price was at a few $100s, and you told me, this can't go any higher. This is crazy. And now look at where, and that was before the split, right? So,
Yeah.
I don't know where this ends. I just don't know. I don't know.
It's going insane. And there's someone else. There are some rumors that someone else believing in Tesla as well. You guys want to guess who it is?
Yeah, let's guess.
Okay, well, who do you think?
I guess it'll be me. Yeah, so honestly, I own quite some shares of Tesla, I guess. I got lucky, so to say. I truly believed in the company early on, like really early on. But still, I was lucky. So it has been a pretty nice ride so far.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. But today, for me, something changed. I loved it. I love Tesla. I love it.
Yeah.
Like, it brings me huge tendies. That's why we have this tendies show. But it brings me huge tendies. I absolutely love it. But now, the risk is getting bigger to me. Like, I will never call it a bubble, because it is not. Because I think Tesla truly has true value, true potential value. Let's call it a balloon. And we keep adding more and more air into the balloon. And there's only so much that the balloon can handle. And then there must be some sort of like... It doesn't have to burst, but maybe we need to let a little bit of the air go or whatever. I don't know. I just I wouldn't say every day, but I do keep something in the back of my mind saying like, don't celebrate these victories because you don't realize the gains. They're just unrealized gains, so that's really important.
Do you compare yourself a little bit with Warren Buffett or not?
Definitely not.
No? Because I was talking about Warren Buffett.
No, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I wasn't even talking about you, but I was talking about Warren Buffett because
you're making it easy there.
There is a
Sneaky
rumor that Warren Buffett is investing in Tesla and big time investing.
Yeah.
Big time. Have you guys heard of it? Yes or no?
I heard about it.
Yeah, you as well?
Course, yeah.
Yeah, did you know? Do you know how much?
But it's a rumor,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, it's a rumor. It's a
Okay,
rumor.
just to be clear.
But do you know how much?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, tell me all about it.
Correct me if I'm wrong. There is 50 million shares missing and
At
somewhere...
Tesla? Yeah, true.
Yeah, Tesla.
true.
Tesla in their last filing, there were 50 million shares missing. And I believe 10 billion for Berkshire Hathaway was missing, right?
Yeah, you're almost right. 11 billion.
11 billion, there you go.
That's insane. But
Yeah, man.
So where did the money go? Is it really going to Tesla or no one knows, right?
I don't know.
But it's nice to speculate. What do you think? Because Warren Buffett is like we can call him the king of investing, right?
Yeah, I agree.
We can call him the king of investing. So is he seeing the same thing as you are seeing? Is he seeing your vision?
It might be, but it's against his own rules.
That's what I was going to say. How?
Yeah. It's
Why
against his
now?
own rules. Yeah.
Why now?
No,
It doesn't add up for me, but maybe I'm
I don't
missing
know.
the point. But
I don't know.
And also we have to be careful because we already said it's a rumor. It's not that there are two individual events, and it's not certain. You know that they're that.
We've seen it before.
True.
We've seen it before in the market where there was a huge speculation, like, oh, this new investor must have been Warren Buffett, and then the price got hyped up like big time, and then all of a sudden it got disclosed that it was someone else, and just they had, I believe, like they take like 20-30% in a day or whatever that share. So I don't know, 50% chance it would have been against his own rules, I guess. So it's not a typical Buffett. Stock. He did sold all of his airlines, so they did have the money on hand to invest these amounts of money. You said 11 billion, right? So that's a lot of money, even for Berkshire, I guess. I don't know, could be, but the market is definitely calculating it in, I guess. So
and that's also the danger.
Yeah, that's
be aware. That's also the danger.
That's a big danger.
Buying the rumor.
Yeah.
To end this topic, what rule are you talking about for Warren Buffett?
No, yeah,
what rule is he?
I don't know the exact rules that he has, but Warren Buffett normally invests in companies that has been there, that has these huge cycles coming up, that are highly profitable, that are not really high in the, let's say, PE valuation, and that stands for price to earnings valuation. If you look at the financial aspects of Tesla. Although it is profitable now for some quarters, that's why it's included in the S&P 500. It is still a extremely expensive company if you look to the current price compared to the current earnings, and that's what the price to earnings ratio is all about. So I think, and that's highly against what Warren Buffett normally advises you to invest in. Like, okay, maybe you can have a PE ratio of 20, 30, 40 or whatever. And Tesla is in the hundreds. So it is, according to his own rules, it's way too high. But we have seen some other investments from Berkshire Hathaway as well.
Yeah.
By his prodigies. So he is getting a little bit older, of course.
Yeah.
So there has to be some time that he let go.
Okay, last question for you guys. Is he surpassing his own rules, yes or no?
No.
What do you think?
Not he.
Not he.
But Berkshire Hathaway is bigger than Warren Buffett.
Yeah, that's true.
So there might be the new people in town who are now saying like, hey, why don't we invest in the next 10 years? Because
okay, is Berkshire Hathaway's going into Warren Buffett's rules? Yes or no?
No. Well, if the question is, do you think that Berkshire is investing in Tesla? I would say...
But even for $11 billion?
$11 billion.
Of 11, yeah.
Go big or go home. That's what they do.
Okay, so it's yes.
I hope so.
Okay,
I hope. No, but it would have been the best investor that you can have.
Okay.
Possibly, if it's not a Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's a nice ending. Well, we are moving on to the next one, Bitcoin.
Ooh,
You were talking about it a little bit earlier that you started with crypto, with cryptocurrency. And the first question I want to ask to you is, did you have Bitcoin or do you have Bitcoin as well?
I do have Bitcoin, not as big as a position as that I had, I have to be honest. We were quite early, starting with Bitcoin before the whole hype in 2017, where we get a parabolic move going to $20,000.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
And then we did go back all the way to $3,500, something like that. So
you held on to that shit, right?
Yeah, I held on to that shit. It was nerve wracking, but
So
now we're back at all-time highs. I have to be honest. I had a big position, and now it's a lot smaller than it was.
Yeah.
But it's I'm okay with it. You know.
Yeah.
I think it's super interesting topic. There's so much to tell about and talk about, and it's so different than the stock market. Looking about what kind of value is behind the price. But on the other side, it's driven by the same emotional principles. True. Like now again, but there's one strange thing that really not bothers me. That's not a good word, but that really intrigues me. Is how is it in my perception that Bitcoin now is not so much in the news anymore, but the price is still going skyrocketing.
Yeah.
Do you want to have the card, Yuri?
No, but we talked about it. Of course, we talked about it.
True.
So I don't understand.
It is fucking insane. I remember I used to live in Miami.
On what price are we right now?
Now $18,500.
Okay, nice. Okay,
but it used to be like something like 20, right?
Yeah,
in the previous,
true.
right?
Yeah, true. So we're
again,
top.
Yeah, but I used to live in Miami with a super good friend of mine called Savas. And we were renting this office together. And the only thing that we could talk about was Bitcoin. Bitcoin. And everybody that I met, it was crypto. Everything was crypto.
But it's funny.
Do you have Bitcoins? Do you have Bitcoins?
True,
Yeah, I
true.
do.
Yeah.
They're like, oh my God, I'm getting rich. And now all of a sudden, I hear fucking nothing.
But
I opened the fucking stupid app. I never looked in the thing and $16,000.
True.
Refresh, because that's gotta be like like cash. Get the fuck out of the way. But $16,000.
But the only thing I think that it has to do with it's not like
what has happened?
New things anymore.
Well, sorry, there is.
It's not like it's not a new thing. Like when Bitcoin was the first time 20K, most people didn't even hear of Bitcoin. So like what?
No, but
Bitcoin?
There's something else, guys. What I think. There at most around 20 million Bitcoins that can be mined, okay?
Yeah.
Around 20 million. I don't know the exact number, but around 20 million. Point being, if people have lost their Bitcoin or are just holding on to the Bitcoin, there's never more Bitcoin. So there's more if the
you think it's supply and demand?
Yes.
Yeah,
so if the demand would be the same as a few years ago, but the supply is getting...
But where the fuck is all the demand coming from?
Well,
what is driving this? Because there has to be a whole lot of demand, right? In that case.
Yeah, fair.
I can totally see the picture where the supply is not getting bigger, or maybe even getting less. That's okay, but I don't see the demand.
Well, I think the demand could be around what it was a few years ago, but because there's limited supply.
So you're saying more people are using Bitcoin again?
Well, I'm not sure if that's something different, because using Bitcoin or investing in Bitcoin is something else. Because using Bitcoin is if you pay with Bitcoin. And to be honest, that's the strange thing. Do you know anybody that pays with Bitcoin, by the way?
No.
Have you?
No. Only scammers.
Only scammers, but I never.
No, I do know. I do know that this is because of I think because of all the investing that has happened in Africa. I think Africa is more and more using Bitcoin. And I also believe that PayPal is now introducing as a payment method. So I think that's a really good thing for them to use.
Yeah.
So I guess in some sort of way it makes sense, especially since PayPal was adding it. I think that was the big catalyst that everybody was waiting for, right? And now this big rally is coming up. I don't know.
Okay, your last supervision on this topic.
Well,
What do you think will happen? Will Bitcoin rise even higher, or will the bubble pop and go back to 3.5K?
well, let me say this: Bitcoin in 2017, when it hit $20,000, it went very, very, very quick, even quicker than now. If you're looking at the charts and Bitcoin, it was just a spike. So that means it was only there for less than a day at $20,000.
Oh, serious? Okay.
Even if you look on the monthly chart, but I'm not going to get into technical now, but it was such a short amount that it was so high. And what I'm seeing now is that's going still fast, but way more gradually than it was in 2017.
Yeah.
So I think at $20,000, it will definitely hit resistance.
Yeah.
But I think now it can really go to 30,000, 40,000.
So it will
No problem.
reach its all-time high.
It's
Yes.
gonna double again?
Yes.
I wouldn't be surprised, man.
Holy shit.
I'm really
Are you buying?
a Bitcoin now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Serious?
I would buy. Yeah, I already bought earlier.
Yeah, okay, but are you buying now?
small amount.
Yeah,
Small
okay.
amount. Yeah.
Okay, thanks guys.
buying.
I guess that's it for today. We'll do a small little summary. We think that Pfizer, will it secure the stock market? Will it go up? Yes or no?
Yeah, I think fast. Yeah, I
Yeah?
think the vaccine is a good thing.
What do you think? Will it go up?
Yeah, I already told you. I'm a little less optimistic, but
Yeah.
I think it will go, but more in the long
Eventually.
long run. Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
So
And Tesla, is Warren Buffett or Berkshire Hathaway buying it? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's
you
do
don't
it.
think so? Yeah, you don't think so?
I say yes. I say yes with hope. I hope
Okay,
because I
okay,
hope.
you hope,
I don't
yeah,
think,
okay.
but I hope.
but maybe your hope is a little bit confusing.
I'm saying it's hope.
Okay,
I'm not
alright.
saying that
Okay,
I
check,
think
check.
it is happening. I'm hoping that it
Fair
is.
enough.
Nice, guys. And Bitcoin will reach its all-time high?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah? What do you think?
No.
No?
No.
All right.
Alright, guys. Well,
I'm out of beer, so we gotta end the
beers
episode.
okay, Jordan, you got it. Finish
Hey,
it
we
before
have
we
to
stop.
have-
You gotta finish it before we stop.
No, don't support
I
him in
can't.
that.
I can't share with an empty bottle. so-
Guys, thanks for this first episode.
Yeah,
I
thanks for
enjoyed
the
it,
first
man.
episode.
Thanks for watching.
You guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this episode, please leave a like and leave a comment and tell us what you think or what we maybe can do the next episode. So I will see you guys next week. Different topics. And let's see if the stock market already got a little bit up.
Woo!
See you guys.
Thanks,
Bye.
man.
Bye.
Bye.